The objective behind the creation of the Varna system in India was the division of labor. This we have already discussed. That is, Brahmins to teach, Kshatriyas to govern, Vaishya to do business, and Shudras to perform physical labor and to provide services to upper Varnas. The system finds its basis in the inherent qualities and mental tendencies of individuals, that is Satvikas, that is Brahmins, Satvikas, Rajasika, that is Kshatriyas, Rajasika, Tamsika, that is Shudras. In the original Varna system, more emphasis is laid on nature tendency than on birth. So, in Varna system, emphasis was laid on nature and tendency and not on birth. The tendency has been clearly mentioned in the Arthaveda, and these type of tendencies are mentioned in the Arthaveda. Hindu Dharma Shastra declare that at birth everyone is Shudra, and after samskar, like Upanayan, he becomes a Dvija. So Hindu Dharma Shastra says that at the time of birth, every person is a Shudra, and after the Upayan ceremony, he becomes a Dvija. So those who are absented from the Upayan ceremony, they will be called as Shudra. The four Varna were originally occupational. The division soon became hereditary in the period of Hans. Professions were not restricted to a particular one. But with the rigid stratification of society during the post-Vedic period, the four Varna were recognized as distinct. Varna system is not rigid and narrow, but a developed social order. Now the word Jati. Jati is derived from the Sanskrit root Joha, meaning to take birth or to be born. It implies that Jati means birth. The term Jati is used for the endogamous group, a close group. It is the unit of social and ritual life. The members belonging to the same Jati eat food cooked by each other. दूसरी जात के लोग खाना नहीं बनाएंगे, ना उनके यहाँ पे खाएंगे. Share a common culture. They will share a common culture, worship and name deities, and are usually governed by the same traditional panchayat. Thus, a Jati is an endogamous hereditary social group that has a name and a combination of attitudes. It has its own name and there is a combination of attitudes. All members of a Jati are expected to act according to their Jati's attributes, and each member share his Jati's status in the social hierarchy of a village locality in India. So, every member of a particular Jati is expected to act according to the attributes of their Jatis, and each member share the status of his Jati in the social hierarchy of the village locality in India. The term caste is applied to the class of people of particular occupation in India. Each caste is again subdivided into various subcastes. Each linguistic region in India has about 400 castes, which are subdivided in about 3000 subcastes, which are actual endogamous units. So all the castes and the subcastes in India are endogamous units. In North India, the Ahir caste was alone found to have 1700 subcastes. अहीरों की अपने में ही 1700 subcastes in northern India. Each subcaste is known as jati. A jati is an endogamous group or the subcaste wherein marriages are performed within it. So no interjati marriage is performed. Every jati, person of a particular jati will marry in the same jati. The English term caste applies to jati and not to varna. So caste applies to jati, not the varna. Varna is entirely different. Varna and caste, though confused to be one, are absolutely different from one another in the following way. So here is the distinction between varna and caste. Number one, one is assigned according to one's capabilities of action and mental tendencies, whereas caste is acquired by birth. One is division of labor. According to the capabilities, skills and mental abilities of a particular person, one will be assigned. But caste is assigned according to the birth. जहाँ पैदा होगा, जिस पर्टिकुलर फैमिली में पैदा होगा, उसकी जो कास्ट है वही उस बच्चे की भी कास्ट. One system is flexible while caste system is rigid. A person of a particular one can change it according to the need, according to his abilities and according to his choice. But caste system is rigid. A person belonging to a particular caste will remain the person of that caste till death. Varna are 4 in number, but castes are many. There are only 4 varnas, but castes are many. There are castes, there are subcastes. In one system, there were no restrictions as regard to particular occupation for persons belonging to a particular one. If a person is not satisfied or want to change his occupation, he was free to do so. In caste system, occupation have been fixed for particular caste. A particular person belonging to a particular caste will perform the functions of that caste. A Brahmin will either preach or will teach. A Kshatriya will either play the role of a leader, a warrior, and nothing else. One system is of ancient times while caste system is of modern period. One refers to racial differences, but caste indicates the birth and descents.